guys, welcome back. So much to talk about in this video. This is my Walmart Target haul. So I'm going to be talking about you. I'm going to be talking to you about all the best Target and Walmart deals, how I snagged all of these items for less than $20 total. Amazing week. I'm also going to briefly chat with you about the dinners that I've been making recently, and then at the end of the video I will be posting pictures of items that I found on clearance. Before I get into all of that, I wanted to quickly talk to you about something going on with the Temu app that a number of people have asked me about. I've had a number of questions about the Temu shopping app and how to earn coupons and free gifts, so I wanted to take a minute and talk with y'all about that. If you remember, not too long ago I did a Temu shopping haul where I showed you the items that I got. I'm planning to do another one of those videos this month, but Temu is just a shopping app with competitively priced items across a number of different categories like fashion, kitchenware, toys, and tons more. But what I want to focus on right now is talking to you about how to get coupons and free gifts from them. So you can earn these coupons and free items by sharing the app with your friends, but let me show you what I mean. If you don't have the app yet, go ahead and snag it with my link below. It's completely free to have and use, but when you open the app, you're gonna see something that says earn coupons and credits, and you want to click on that. Once you click there, you're going to see a number of different ways that you can score freebies, and they're all little games. So let's look at the hat trick draw, or you can go to the search bar and type in sale 5862 and it will take you directly to the game. When you click on that one, you're going to see that you can select 3 items that if you get the referrals you need, you'll get those items for free. So I'm going to show you right here. I opened that section up and it allows me to scroll until I find items that interest me. Once I find the item that I want to get for referring people, I click on it, and then you'll confirm it and you'll see it pop up at the bottom of your screen. Then you go on to select the second and the third items that you would like to receive. Now, once you've done that, you confirm your address, and then you're going to want to draw. And so that's the little game piece. Now, when you draw, you're able to find your items within those little magic hats, but you need enough energy to be able to draw. So in order to get additional energy, you're going to need to share your link with friends and family. And so when you share that link, you'll click share, and then there's a little link copying tool that you click on, and you can text that out to friends, to family. You can post it on your social media. When they click it and get the app, or they already have the app and they click from your link, you're going to get additional energy that allows you to continue to keep drawing to win those freebies. So if that's something that you're into, you like sharing new stuff, you might want to check that out because you can score yourself some free items from Temu. Now, definitely stay tuned because I did my shopping today, and as soon as my items come in, I'm going to be doing another Temu shopping haul for you all. So let's talk about Target first. Okay, when you open your Target app and go to Target Circle Offers, you're gonna see an offer for $5 off a $30 grocery purchase. So I'm gonna talk to you about the individual deals that I did, but then I put them all together for the $5 off a $30 purchase, and I'll tell you how that worked as well. So let's start with this one. This big bag of Splenda, it was not marked in my app, but it was marked in store on sale for $5.99. There is a $2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $3.99 at the register, but then check your Ibotta, I had a $4 rebate there. That makes this completely free, and it's gonna help get us to that spend 30, get $5 off. So the spend 30, you just have to hit before all your coupons come off. So you can be well under 30 after all those coupons come off, and you're still gonna get that extra $5 off. Now, I also picked up this Silk Next milk. It's $4.99. There's a 20% off Target Circle offer, as well as a $2 digital that drops your final cost down to $1.99. Not a bad price for milk. Y'all know I love these minute rice cups. They're so easy, and I think they're very tasty. $2.29. There's a 20% off Target Circle offer, making them $1.83 each. Now, always check your produce section. Mine had multiple things marked on sale. Now, I don't know if that's consistent across all Targets. I don't really have a way to check. Just know that when you pop into your store, take a quick glance around the produce section because oftentimes they will mark produce down and sell it at a much lower price. I picked up these organic carrots for 69 cents, which I thought was a good price. I also had a Target Circle offer for these apples. So these apples were $4.99. There was a 20% off offer, dropping it down to $3.99. I did pick up a couple of things that I just needed or that were already at good prices. I picked up the Good and Gather vegetable broth. It wasn't on sale or anything, but it was $1.39. Same thing with the penne pasta. I picked this up because I always have pasta in my house. $1.59 for this big box. I grabbed a mac and cheese, they're 99 cents with a 20-cent rebate on Ibotta, dropping it down to 79 cents. The last thing I picked up, I grabbed the Born Sampoll sauce. This is $5.99. I had two 50% off Target Circle offers, and I was wondering if they would both apply because sometimes multiple Target Circle percent off coupons will apply on one transaction. It did not. Only one of the 50% offs applied, so I paid $2.99 for this, but I actually really like this Born Sampoll sauce. So those were all of the items I purchased together. That got me to $31.20 before the coupons. After coupons, I paid $16.28. That includes the 5 off 30. Then I got back $4 for the Splenda, $2 on Ibotta for the silk, the 20 cents on the craft, and then the 10 any cent rebate, which dropped my total for $31 worth of groceries down to $9.98. So amazing deal. As I was just reading that, I realized I told you there was a $2 digital for the silk. It's actually a $2 rebate on Ibotta. So I'll make sure I update that on what I pop up here on the screen. Now, check your laundry aisle. There's currently a promotion, Target Circle offer, $15 off a $50 purchase. Now, the items that I wanted that I had put together for this amazing deal, my store didn't have them all in stock. So I don't have a fantastic offer put together for you, but there were lots of clearance items, and I found this 9 Elements detergent, originally $12.99, marked down to $6.49. Then there was a 20% off Target Circle and a $3 digital, so I paid $2.19 for this. Awesome. Now, this is a great deal. There are some skincare products that are buy 3, get a $5 gift card. I picked up 2 of the Dickinson's toners at $4.99. I picked up this Olay cleanser at $5.49. There was a $2 digital for this one. So I paid $13.47 at the register. I got back a $5 gift card for buying 3 items, as well as $6 on Ibotta for the Dickinson's. I got $3 back on each of them. That dropped my final cost for all 3 of those products down to $2.47, or just 82 cents each. So great deals for those skincare products. Now, there were a number of items on sale at Target, and I'm going to pop up pictures here on the screen of other items that you might want to check out that I didn't need, so I didn't purchase, like the Tillamook cheese was 2 for $6. The Lay's potato chips were 3 for $6. That's $2 a bag for the Lay's potato chips. Doritos were 2 for $8. Again, I'll pop up pictures. My memory isn't as good as what I've already put together on my phone. That was Target. Now, I used to tell you all of the things I was cooking for dinner, but the video started to get really long, and I know I can only keep your attention for so long, so I stopped talking about that for a while. In all honesty, I've been working on 2 things. One, getting rid of the food that I have in my pantry, in my freezer. So trying to cook dinners based off of that. I've also been working on some like $5 dinner ideas, but before I share them with you, I go buy the stuff and I make them. So that's been taking some of my time as well. And I've tried out a few recipes that I am excited to share with you because I don't want to share it just if it's inexpensive. I want to share it if it's inexpensive and it tastes good. So I've been playing with that a little bit, and I promise I'll share some of those recipes here coming up soon. So let's put Target away. Let's talk about Walmart. So many things on clearance, lots of clothes. I found these socks. So normally $10.88 down to $3 men's dress socks. My son and I are working on a couple of different like service projects right now. We put together bags for a homeless shelter of toiletries, and I'm adding in socks to each of the bags. And so I think we put together about 50 bags, and I want to say maybe 30 had socks so far. So I'm going to add some socks to those bags. And then I love this. We put together a little Easter basket for a lady at a nursing home in our city. So I'm taking that down to her tomorrow, and I can't wait. It turned out super cute, and I'm very excited about it. All right, other than clearance, let's talk about clearance. This Country Time, this juice stuff was on clearance. I found these Country Time lemonades at 55 cents. And then I found this, these were the Mott's Apple Mango. These were just 82 cents. There were lots of things on the juice aisle at my store that were on clearance. I also noticed, what is this? Honey Pot anti-itch soothing spray. It was marked on clearance for $2.97. I scan a lot of things on the clearance aisle to see if there's an Ibotta offer. There was an Ibotta offer for $3, so I picked up 2 of these. I got $3 back on each of them, making them both completely free. Let's talk about easy Ibotta deals. The Martha White Yellow, 2 different colors. Martha White Yellow Cornbread Mix is $1.12. Get 50 cents back on Ibotta, making your final cost 62 cents. The Sargento cheese, the creamery, this is $3.18, $1 offer on Ibotta, making it just $2.18, which really drops it down almost to what the like Walmart branded cheese would cost. Also check Fetch Rewards to see if you have rebates on the Sargento. The Gain soap, these are $1.94 each. You want to pick up 2 of them because there's an Ibotta offer for $1 back when you buy 2, making it $2.88 for both of them or $1.44 each. Other simple Ibotta deals. Oh, this Febreze spray found in the travel section. It's $1.97. Get back $2.30 on Ibotta, making it free and a 33-cent moneymaker. Now, this one, the Always pads, these were on clearance at my store as well. $2.99. There was $1.50. I bought a rebate, making it just $1.49. We were including some of these in those toiletry bags that we're handing out to the homeless shelter as well. This is still going. It's still a moneymaker with the Shopkick app, the Curad bandages that you can find over in the sporting goods section, $1.97. Get back $2.26 on Shopkick, making it completely free, and a 29-cent moneymaker. I always talk in these videos like everyone knows what Ibotta is. It's a cashback rebate app. Same thing with Shopkick. A lot of people have heard of Ibotta, not as many people have heard of Shopkick. So if you're brand new, you've never used it, it's completely free. Score an additional $5 when you get the app using the code SWC5 as the referral code. Now, this Dove deodorant, this is a great deal. These are $6.97. $7 for deodorant, no thank you. There's a $3 rebate on Ibotta. You can get $2.40 back on Shopkick as well as $2 back on coupons.com, making your final cost free and a 43-cent moneymaker. Awesome deal. This one is a coupons.com offer. This one is $5.37. Get back $5 on coupons.com, making it just 37 cents for this toner from L'Oreal. The Dr. Pepper, if your store sells these small ones, these are the 1.25 liter. It's $1.44. My Shopkick was giving back $1.40, making this 4 cents. Crazy. And then the Holy Veggie. So These are $5.32 at my store. It's a frozen meal. There is a rebate that I'll link for y'all down below, which will give you $5.32 back. But there's also an Ibotta rebate, making it a $1.25 moneymaker. Now, I did hit my midweek moneymaker bonus on Ibotta, which gave me an additional $3 back. And like I said, that made everything here less than $20. Holy cow, amazing. This little pepper guy, the ghost pepper, Louisiana pepper puree. I found this as a Sampoll, S-A-M-P-O-L-L offer. So that's a little bit different program. Again, I'll link it for you down below. You purchase the item, you answer a few questions, and then they give you the purchase price back either to your PayPal or your Venmo. So I paid $2.88 and I got $2.88 back to my Venmo account. So it's another way. I think last week or 2 weeks ago, I mentioned Social Nature is a great way to try products and give feedback. Sampoll is another one that you can try. Now, I always miss something on the table, but I think I hit everything, hopefully. So that was everything that I got. If y'all have questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know how your week is going. Hope you guys are doing well. Stay tuned for pictures of the items that I found on clearance. Thanks.